So I have made a table with some information in it. I have parts of something, could be parts of a computer. I've got how much that part costs in this column, whether it's in stock or not in this column, and an amount of that stock in this column here. What I want is a formula that's going to look down this column here and then say yes, it's in stock, or no, it's not in stock, and then another formula here that says how many. The formula that you want to use for this is called equals VLOOKUP. Now, once I've typed the equals to tell the cell it's going to be a formula, the V and the L of VLOOKUP, you get this pop up. Okay, so I can double click on that and this will actually help me write the formula. So the lookup value, what is it we're actually looking for? Well, we're going to put that here. Okay, that's where that information is going to be put. And as you can see from the hint, each part of the formula is separated by a comma. So I'm going to put a comma there. It's now asking me where is the table that we want to find that information. So I click in the center of the first cell of the table and then drag down to the bottom right of the last cell of the table. And as I've said, you separate out the sections of the formula with a comma. Col index number is asking which column do we actually want to look in. And in this instance, I want to look in column number 3. 1, 2, 3. And finally, the final part of this formula is going to ask, do I want an approximate match, which would be true, or do I want an exact match? Well, I'd quite like an exact match, thank you. So I'm going to double click on false, and then finally, as is told here, I'm going to finish the formula by closing the brackets. When I press enter, I get this message saying hashtag NA, or not applicable, and that's because I haven't actually written anything here. So what I can do is put in a part number. So part, let's put in 006. When I press enter, you can see it's not in stock. If I change that to part 7, yes, it is in stock.